Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Monday's Phonics today. I hope you're all well. You will need some paper and something to write with. So if you haven't got those yet, you need to pause the video and you need to go and get them. So something to write with and something to write on. And then we'll learn our sound today. It's another special friend, and the sound that we're learning is A. A. A, A, A. 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 A, A, A. Let's have a look at the picture for today's sound. So you've got 3 children there. You've got 2 boys and they're playing with their toys. And the girl comes over and she says, "Hey, may I play? Hey, may I play?" I hope that they let her play. "Hey, may I play?" Fantastic. And there's our special friend, the A and the Y together, making the A sound. A. A. Now when we write that, you look at that one there, it's not joined together. You remember when we write all our special friends, we need to make sure they're joined together. I'll show you how we write it. A. You see, it's joined together there, making the A sound. So we need to remember that when we write our sound down. Okay, let's have a look back at the card. When we see this side, A, may I play? And when we see this side, A. Are we ready? Very good. Well done, everybody. Okay, let's hide it in with some of the sounds that we already know. Let's get them the right way round. Are we ready? So there is our sound. A. Let's pop it in with some of the sounds that we know. I've just got in this pile of special friends today, because we need to remember those. Are we ready? When you see A, give it a thumbs up. Very good. Let's hide it one more time. Remember, when you see it, give it a thumbs up. Can you remember that one? K, not ch. K. A. Let's go through them all again. Nk. Brilliant, well done. Give yourselves a super speedy sound. You did those brilliantly. Well done. Okay, get your pencil and paper and let's practice writing our sound today. A. A. You have a go at writing it as well. A, may I play? All the way along. A, may I play? A, A, A. A, A, A. Make sure you've got the A before the Y, the A before the Y, otherwise you're making a different sound. Okay, A. Have a look at yours. Make sure yours look like mine. A. A. Let's have a practice of ch, ch. Remember how to make the sound ch? A C and an H, k, and a H together make the sound ch, ch. Brilliant. Ch, 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 Fantastic. Okay, let's have a look at the sounds that we need in the word day. 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 How many sounds? D, A. 2 sounds. Let's pinch the sounds for day. D, A. D, A. Day. D, A. Day. Let's write it down. D, A. And I'm going to underline my special friend. D, A, day. D, A, day. Can you do the same for the word say? Count the sounds in say. S, A, S, A. 2 sounds. Pinch the sounds. S, A, S, A. Write it. If you need a bit longer, pause the video. Tell me the sounds in say. S, A. Underline my special friend. S, A, say. Tick or correct your S and your A. Brilliant. Well done. Well done. Let's try play. Play. How many sounds in play? Brilliant. P, A. 3 sounds. Let's pinch the sounds in play. P, A. P, A. Write it. P, A. Underline your special friend. Right, can you tell me how to write the word play? If I can find my pen. Play. I'm going to do it on here. Play. P comes next. P, A. Underline your special friend. P, A. Play. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, put your pen and your paper to one side because we'll be using them again in a bit. Right, let's have a look at some words, green words that have got the A sound in them. We are going to Fred talk and then read the word. I'll go first. Fred talk. A. May. May. Okay. Hide that one in there. Off you go. Fred talk. Read the word. Way. Fred talk. Read the word. May. Fred talk. Read the word. Say. Fred talk. Read the word. Day. Fred talk. Read the word. Play. Fred talk. Careful with this one. Read the word. I'll show you. Spray. 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 We're back to the beginning. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at our next pile of words. This time, we're going to go through the words 3 times. So we're going to start with Fred whisper. Okay, so we'll look at the words and we're going to whisper the sounds. And then when I push it forward, you're going to have a go at reading the word. Are you ready? I'll go first. Fred whisper. Clip. Okay. This one here, where you can see the 2 of the same letter, it's just making 1 sound. It's just a special friend. Off you go. Whisper. Bell. Whisper. These are trickier words today. See how we get on. Hand. flag. If you need to pause the video because I'm going a bit fast, that's absolutely fine. Look for your special friend. Back. Whisper. Clip. When you clip something onto something, you clip something on to your jumper. I'm going to turn this one around for you. Special friend, whisper, and whisper. Think. Whisper. Gran. Whisper. Jump. Okay, well done. Okie dokie. I'm going to mix those up. This time round, what I would like you to do is I would like you to thread in your head, and when I push it forward, watch me. Jump. Okay, off you go. Thread in your head. You can nod your head if you need to. Think. Jump. In your head. Back. In your head. Hand. Bell. In your head. Flag. Clip. Gran. Well done. Brilliant. We got back to the beginning there, so well done. This time round, I'm just going to move them backwards, and if you can read them quite speedy, that'll be really good. Are we ready? Think. See if you can join in with me. Jump. Back. Hand. Bell. Flag. Clip. Gran. We're back to the beginning. Well done. You did absolutely brilliant there. Okay. Can you get your paper so that you're ready to write your sentence? We're going to have a go at writing a sentence now. Okay, hold a sentence. And the sentence that I want you to write is the hot day. The hot day. Can you say it? The hot day. The hot day. The hot day. How many words in that sentence? 3 words. The hot day. The hot day. What's our first word? The. Now that's a red word, and it's a word that we all should know how to write. If I turn it around, okay, we've got the th at the beginning, and then this sound at the end isn't saying the, it's saying the, okay? We like the th but we don't like the because it's saying the. So when you write your sentence, you remember that red word the. Okay, so I start my sentence. Let me get my paper ready. I start my sentence at the edge of the paper with the. And I write it nice and big. The. Can you see that? There's our tricky word, the. What was the next word? The hot. Hot. How many sounds in hot? 3 sounds. Can you pinch the sounds for hot? H, ot. H, ot. I'm writing it this time, remember? H, o, h, ot. Notice what I've done here? I've left a space between the 2 words. The hot. The hot day. How many sounds in day? 2 sounds in day. What are the sounds? D, A. Leave another space. The hot D, A. I can underline that, special friend. I don't always need to underline it, but for today, I'm going to underline it so you know it's there. The hot day. Full stop at the end of my sentence. The hot day. Take a look at it. Take a picture of it. Okay, have a go at writing the. I'll hold up the for you because that's one of our red words. The hot day. Remember your finger spaces. Okay, so if you need longer, pause the video. The hot day. Remember your full stop at the end. Remember your finger spaces. If you need a bit longer, pause the video. Are we ready? That's what your sentence should look like. The hot day. If it looks like that, well done, fantastic. If it doesn't, if you're missing the finger spaces or some of the sounds, go away and correct it. Pause the video and take a look at that so yours looks like mine. Okay, well done today. That's a new special friend that we've learned and you've done really, really well. Keep practicing your sounds and your writing. Take some pictures and pop them on Dojo for your teachers to see. Well done to those children who are doing that. All right, everyone, I'll see you again on Wednesday. Take care. Bye-bye.